Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Spencer Fitzgerald, and today we're going to be going on another adventure. We're driving half an hour to Clare, and we're going to go find a cliff jumping spot and 3 different waterfalls. It's like plus 2 degrees out. It's 4 o'clock. And we're going exploring. During the summer, you can cross right here, but the water's too high right now, so let's climb back up this hill and go check out the cliff jumping spot. One time I came swimming here, and I swear it was the last time I was here, the spider was as big as my hand. Apparently this river is so deep that scuba divers couldn't even reach the bottom, and apparently there's 1 or maybe 2 cars at the bottom of it. These could be myths or exaggerated stories, but who knows? And down that way, if you keep following the river, there are more waterfalls, so that's what we intend to do. We're gonna climb back up this, head down the road. Right now we're just driving down the road trying to find a trail to the river because we're kind of lost. There's a trail somewhere. It might be like right here. What's this? At the end of this. Yeah, by the shed right here. This is it. They made a walkway. They made a house. Pull up a little bit and see what's by the shed. See if there's a path that we can. This might be a bit sketchy. We're gonna have to strut through somebody's yard. I don't see anybody else here. So.
I don't think this is the way.
Follow these things. Found it! It's literally right in these people's backyard though. They stole the waterfall. So we found our first big waterfall of the day. We had to lurk in somebody's backyard, but yeah, we found it. It's pretty cool. Let's go find another one. We're on it. Found another one. Keep going. ancient, like, fisherman style shit. Thanks for joining us on our journey to the French community to find some waterfalls. We found 3 waterfalls, a cliff jumping spot, and ventured through the woods. It was a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.